Good day guys, so in this lesson we're going to be looking at the syntax and the placement of your JavaScript code. So first of all, like I said, JavaScript works hand in hand with HTML. So we're going to go ahead and create our HTML file. So I'm going to just save this. And by the way, I'm using Visual Studio Code as you've seen from the beginning of the tutorial. You're going to see how to get it in the link below. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, desktop, call it HTML, my HTML, right? And then I'll enter there and then save my file as, let's say, JavaScript, right? JavaScript. Wow, that was somehow okay. Let me just save my file as my HTML, my underscore HTML.html. Save that, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put in my HTML code. So this is my HTML code. Now what we're going to be learning today is how do you include your JavaScript code in your HTML code? How do you combine them together, right? So now basically there are three ways to combine your JavaScript code and your HTML code. The first way is called embedding. Now if you want to embed, what you do is you just come here to the head, probably under the title, although you can put in your JavaScript code anywhere in the page, but most programmers prefer to put it below at the ending part of the whole code. So you just come here and you type script, your script tag, and voila, you can write alert, hello world, and there you have it. Now what I've done is I've embedded my JavaScript code into my HTML page. I've embedded my JavaScript code into my HTML page. I'm just going to go ahead and run this for you to see. So I'm going to go to my desktop where I saved it. Go down, look for my HTML folder, open the web page. Right, and you can see the hello world that we just wrote. See it alert in here. This is what alert does. It brings out this alert that you see. So now that's how we embed our JavaScript code into our HTML page. Another way to do this is to create your JavaScript code outside of your HTML page. So I can just go ahead and open a new folder, and then let's call it JS. Let's call it my JS. Let me save it as my JS.js. And as you know, you can call your file any name, you can save it as any name, but just make sure that whenever you're saving a JavaScript file, you end it with .js. Now this .js is what allows the browser to know that what you are currently running is a JavaScript file. So I'll save it as that, add my .js there and save, right? Then I can, now I have saved it, let me write my alert code. This time I do not need the script tags because this is purely a JavaScript file with .js. So I can write hello world again, hello world, let me put 2 just so that we can differentiate that this one is coming from this page. And then I'll go ahead and come here and then include that page into this page. So let me go ahead and just clean this one, and then let me include it here. My source src equals, then I'll write the path, my file name, my underscore js.js, and that's all, we are done. So when I go ahead and I run this code, you still see the alert, you see, and now you can see hello world 2, which tells you that it is coming from our other page here. And so as you can see, this is another way of adding a JavaScript code to your HTML file. And then there's a third way. A third way is adding it directly to your tag. For example, if I have a tag here called a href, let's say a linking tag equal to let's call it click me. Now this is a basic HTML tag that you can see here, and we've spoken about HTML in our HTML lesson. We've talked about it, and then I can just click on click. Okay, on click is an attribute on its own, so I can just say on click equals alert. Let's call it hello world 3, right? Save that, and then I'll go ahead and refresh my page. You can see the click me here. Okay, hold on, I need to add the href attribute, href. Okay, I'll just give it a hash sign, it should not go anywhere. Save that, come here, refresh. Okay, as you can see, click, and as you can see, hello world 3 has come up. So these are the 3 ways you can include your JavaScript code into your HTML code. Now in the next lesson, we are going to be going ahead to learn about variables in JavaScript and how to comment in JavaScript. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.